So today we will find out if the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro headphones can be used wired. And by wired, I mean can be used with 3.5mm headphone cable instead of using battery. So to test that, the first thing I'm gonna do is switch off the headphones. Okay, so I'm gonna long press on the power button because if you use them wired, then you do not need headphones. Okay, so you can see it's off. Even from the app there, you can tell it's off. So the next thing I'm gonna do is yank out the microphone because the microphone is actually removable. So I can just pull it out like that. And that gives me access to that 3.5mm headphone socket where I'll plug in one end of this cable like that. It's all in. And then I'll plug in the other end of this cable into a 3.5mm headphone socket on this laptop. If I can find it. Oh, here we go. So there's one on the side there. So we are connected. Okay. So I'm gonna go and open a YouTube video and let's see if this works. Putting them on my head now. It's not working, so let me check the sound output device. Change the sound setting. Well, it's not working. I'm gonna attempt to pull out the dongle of the headphones and see what happens. So once we pull out the dongle, all the BlackShark V2 Pro wordings disappear. So it's safe to say that these headphones cannot be used wired. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.